So AI is very wide. I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT, which is an AI tool, to create simple websites or simple shapes in HTML. It's also a good tool to learn HTML. So what you do is you go to the ChatGPT. You can just sign in with the email and then type in what you want. So here I'm typing, can you make me a rotating shape or cube or something? Uh, can you make me a rotating cube? And it does what it does. It prints you. It prints something which it understands. But I have to specify if I want a HTML, then I say in HTML. So it remembers the last command and this command and then generates a HTML for you. So this HTML will have .html and a CSS file. So you just have to copy this and create index.html and index.css and put it in a folder and then double click on the index.html. That will generate you the thing. The previous code was Python and this is HTML. So by default it just takes Python. But if you say HTML, then it gives you HTML. If you want C programming, it will give you C programs or C++ or Java. So that's the power of AI. It understands what you want, so you can use it. So it's now creating HTML code here quite fast, and you can use it for, you can create anything, any website or something with the ChatGPT or other APIs. So now I have this HTML code, and then I'm copying that code and then opening a notepad or a text editor, paste it and save it. And that's it. So this is the base. So you have these two files in the same folder. Two files has to be in the same folder, and then double click and you have a nice 3D sort of shape created in just minutes. That's the power of AI. AI is a skill set which you have to develop, and this is what is prompt engineering. So I'm prompting the AI tool to give me what I want. So if you are developing software, you can tell it to write what you want, and then it will generate something. Then if it's not matching, then you tell it again, tell it to correct, and then it will generate more and more. So this is going to be the future of programming later, and there are already co-pilots in GitHub and other tools which is already available, which does the same thing as what I am doing, but it's a bit of different front end. So you can generate, I'm just telling it to generate in orange or any. If you're a student, it could be a good project for you. The best thing is you use it for to learn the language. You can use this to learn HTML because it generates code. Now you have the tag and you have a running program, and you can start easily and faster to use. So the AI is not going to replace programmers, but the programmers who know AI will replace programmers who don't know AI, and it will replace people who know AI with people. This will replace people who know AI, who don't know AI, with people who know AI. So you see how fast it develops applications in this video, and you can try whatever you want. You can write a C program to do a specific thing, write a C++ program, and I'm just telling it to make it more uh, different. Yeah, so it just remembers the previous commands and then builds over it. And even if you have errors, you can tell that I'm getting this error, can you correct it? So this is going to, so this is the fundamental GPT-3 GPT chat GPT. It is based on a language model which is GPT, I think 3.5. 4.0 or 4 point higher is paid version, but it's more of a, it will include the latest according to the latest time. GPT 3.5 will be a bit old. It will be, I think, 2022. All the data till 2022 you will have that. So this is how you generate a simple HTML file, or you see how the 3D model is generated in just minutes, and the code you have it already. So now I will try to make a rotating cylinder with it just remembers that it was HTML. So whatever you type now, it understands that it's going to be HTML. That's what we want. That's what the AI tool is, remembering things what we want. So make me a cylinder that is rotating 360 degrees. Yeah, that's the command, and it just creates the .html. All the things and the styles, everything is there inside. Style is being put in the index.html itself. So you have one file now, you don't have to have two files. So now I'm just going to replace the whole file. And then now I saved it. Now I'm going to just reload the browser, because it takes a new code now, and then you are seeing a different shape. Although it's not a cylinder, you can have to talk to it more, more clearly, and to articulate what you want, and it will do the job for you. So just follow what I'm typing now. So I'm just typing a rainbow cylinder, a different color, and then you'll have different things coming up. So ChatGPT is an excellent tool. AI is a very powerful tool to generate whatever you want, code or poems or articles, writes books, content creation. For the content creators, it's a boon. It is going to replace a lot of jobs, but it will create new jobs. So it will create more of jobs where people are able to work with technology. So I'm just doing the same thing, copying the code and then pasting it in the notepad, and then you can basically run that application. So now you see the different colors. So excellent way to learn HTML. Now you know what is changing, and then you can dig into the code and understand how it is changing and what is changed. So this could be also used for front-end development. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript also generates JavaScript code. So you can use it also as a tool to generate front-end code. So now it's generating the code according to what it will also suggest you, like this code uses PHP, and it will tell you what you need more, or what you have for whatever development you're doing. Now you see I got a rotating circle. So I don't know if I put the correct prompt, but this is what it generated. So if you want what you need, then you need to articulate it properly, basically, and that's what is basically prompt engineering. That is, you have to give the right prompt to get what you want, and this skill will be definitely wanted in the future. To that, these things, you generate code, but you need to know at least a little bit of HTML to get it running, debug it and stuff, so that you can work with the machine. So this sort of skill set is going to pick up in the near future, and hope you liked it. Just use ChatGPT or even Bard, Google AI tool, and Bing Image Creator, which I'll create another video to show you how you can create images with Bing. It's also an AI tool related to AI. And hope you like this video. Drop a review and drop comments if you have any questions, and look at other courses of mine. Thank you.